Introducing the stunning Ferrari California T. The perfect blend of Italian elegance and raw performance. Under the hood, it roars with a 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, producing an incredible 552 horsepower and 557 pound-foot of torque. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds, with a top speed of 196 miles per hour. This convertible beauty features a retractable hardtop, a luxurious tan leather interior, and that iconic Ferrari handling. Whether you're cruising the coast or carving through mountain roads, the California T delivers an exhilarating driving experience. Fire sleek, powerful, unforgettable. This is the Ferrari California T. Make sure to like, comment, and follow for more dream car content. /